Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're covering one of the most important topics in this course, how to deal with emergencies in English. Whether it's a medical crisis, a fire, or an accident, knowing the right language could save a life. In the United Kingdom, the emergency number is 999. In Europe and many other countries, it's 112. In the United States, it's 911. When you call, an operator will ask, which service do you require, police, fire, or ambulance? Answer clearly, ambulance please, or fire service, or police. The operator's first priority is your location. Give it immediately and clearly. I'm at the corner of Oxford Street and Regent Street in London. Or, I'm at Heathrow Airport, Terminal 2, near the main entrance. Being specific about location is the single most important thing you can do in an emergency call. Then describe what has happened. Speak clearly and calmly, even if you're frightened. You might say, "A man has collapsed on the pavement. He appears to be unconscious and not breathing." Or, "There's been a road traffic collision. I can see 2 vehicles and at least 1 person who appears to be injured." The operator will ask follow-up questions. Is the person conscious and breathing? Are they bleeding? How old do they appear to be? Answer as accurately as you can. Don't hang up. The operator will stay on the line and guide you until help arrives. For a fire, say, "There's smoke coming from the building at number 42 Baker Street. I believe it started on the 2nd floor. Evacuate the building, get everyone out, and don't use the lift." Basic first aid vocabulary is also useful. Check for breathing, put someone in the recovery position, apply pressure to a wound, perform CPR. These are skills worth learning alongside the language. Today, we covered emergency numbers, giving your location, describing what happened, and staying calm on the call. Preparation is the best defense. See you next time.